The school bell rings. Children head towards school. But for Sannat, the bell makes no difference. He has left school. Born with a club foot, he couldn't bear the teasing from his schoolmates. Murshida is waiting for an eye surgery. The complications in her eyes have made her life miserable. Unless her eyesight is restored, she foresees a dismal life ahead. Just like Sannat and Murshida, there are 13 million more men, women and children in Bangladesh living with disability. Every year, another 250,000 people become disabled, including 30,000 children becoming blind. While they face a difficult life, they also fail to contribute to the family or the society. Steps are necessary to address these issues. Early intervention into the causes of disability can prevent many of these occurrences. Awareness about nutrition, proper medical care during childbirth, and making healthcare services available in the remote can play a significant role in improving the scenario. Corrective measures through surgical means are needed for those who are already disabled. To address the needs of the disabled poor population all over the country, Impact Foundation Bangladesh is offering community and medical services. Focusing both on preventive and corrective approach through its community health center in Chuadanga district and the floating hospital Jibontori. Hundreds of patients come to these facilities every day. The rural poor living in remote areas come for their treatment. People living with various disabilities, young and old, come to the hospital with hopes of becoming free from the curse of disability. Murshida underwent a cataract surgery on her eyes. The latest equipment and the skilled surgeons worked together on restoring her eyesight. A month later, Murshida has fully recovered. She can see again. She has gone back to her work.
আমি এই চোখ কম দেখার আগে আমি কোনো কাজকর্ম করতে পারতাম না, ছেলে মেয়েরে ধরেন জানি একটা খাবার দাবার চাইলে দিতে পারতাম না, হাতে কোণে ফইরে যাইতে, এই দরজায় এখানে টাক খাইতাম, ওই খুঁড়িতে টাক খাইতাম, কি পাও খালি পিছুলিয়ে যাইতে আচার খাইতাম। এখন আমি জীবনতরিতে যাইয়া এখন আমি খুব সুন্দর ভালোই দেখতে পারি, কাজকর্ম করতে পারি, ছেলে মেয়ের আদর যত্ন তাও করতে পারি। এই জীবনতরি না আসলে আমি অন্ধ হয়ে যাইতাম। আপনার স্বামীর নাম?
To ensure quality health service, Masudul Haq Memorial Community Health Center and Jibontori are equipped with modern surgical and pathological facilities. Various types of surgeries including eye, orthopedic, ENT, plastic, and general surgeries are performed here regularly. To extend the outreach, community support is availed to organize satellite clinics every week. These satellite clinics offer general medical services and refer critical patients to the centers. Regular checkup of pregnant women and immunization services for children are also offered both at the center and the satellite clinics. To ensure extensive outreach, the floating hospital Jibontori moves through the river channels to the most remote locations of the country. It reaches to the poorest population with specialized medical facilities to change the lives of the disabled people.
সেটা আমরা বেশ সুন্দর করে পিছনে লেখা আছে
Impact organizes health education, nutrition training, and training for traditional birth attendants as part of its preventive measures. The community awareness about health and nutritional requirements play a vital role in preventing disabilities related to nutritional deficiency.
যদি বাচ্চাদের আমরা বাড়তি খাবার না দিই
In Bangladesh, 95% of child deliveries are done at home. Ensuring safer practice during these deliveries can significantly reduce the birth-related complications and disability. To educate and enhance the skills of traditional birth attendants, TBA training are organized at field level and at the centers.
এই যে বাচ্চার পজিশনটা আপনারা খেয়াল করেন কিভাবে থাকে এইভাবে থাকে না
Models, demonstrations, and illustrations are used to facilitate an in-depth understanding. These training help to improve the skills of the traditional birth attendants, which works in preventing childbirth-related complications and disabilities.
এটা মাজা হ্যাঁ তো মাথাটা আগে হলো মাজার ভিতরে ঢুকবে ঠিক আছে
শাকসবজি চাষ ও ভিটামিন তাহলে আমরা একটা ছবি দেখে
The rural poor women are encouraged to grow home gardens in the unused spaces around their homes. Impact field workers provide free seeds and information on gardening. These home gardens work as the source for essential nutrition and vitamins and also a supplementary income for the family.
জায়গাটা পড়েই ছিল খায়রুল ভাই বলার জন্য আমরা সবজি তৈরি করছি সবজি তৈরি করে খাই বাড়ির আশেপাশে মানুষের দেওয়া হয় অনেক উপকার হয়
Impact Foundation Bangladesh believes that the strength to change is within the community and community participation is most essential. 20,000 members of the Mothers Clubs actively participate in various activities. Latif is an artist. Cataract in the eyes had blurred his whole world. But with the services from Impact, he has found his light back. Once more, his artwork speaks of life on color.
চোখে ছানির সমস্যা আসলো আসার পর আমার সমস্ত কিছু আস্তে আস্তে নষ্ট হয়ে গেল তো হঠাৎ শুনতে পেলাম যে চুয়াডাঙ্গা মাসুদুল হক মেমোরিয়াল হেলথ ইমপ্যাক্ট ফাউন্ডেশনের যাওয়ার পর অপারেশন করলাম অপারেশন করার পর আল্লাহর রহমতে আমার চোখ ভালো হয়ে গেল এবং তখন আমার মনে খুবই আনন্দ লাগলো স্যার যে আমি অন্ধত্ব থেকে আল্লাহ আমার মানে মুক্তি দিয়েছে স্যার খুদা তব জানাই শুকুর দূর করেছো আধার কালো আমা নিশা রাতে দিয়েছো পূর্ণিমার আলো
Through the services provided by Impact, children like Ridoy can smile again. Ridoy was born with a club foot, but now he can run and play with his schoolmates. His future once more holds the same possibilities as the rest. The continued efforts of Impact Foundation Bangladesh have been made possible through a combination of the initiatives of the management, the dedication of professionals and workers, and the kind support and donations provided by the contributors. The services provided by Impact are mostly free of cost and are reliant on grants and donations. The desperate need of millions living under the threat of disability cannot be met without your participation. Responding to the need of these poor and disabled people, we urge you to come forward and become a part of our effort. To aid this initiative, which brings light to many living under darkness, let us all come together and offer these disabled children, men and women, a chance to live just like the rest of us.